Hi there. Today, we're learning the phrase melt something down. It means to eat or drink something very quickly. Imagine you're really hungry or thirsty. You don't take your time. You just finish your food or drink fast. That's belting something down. You can say, I belted down my sandwich, or she belted down a glass of water. It's an informal expression, good for chatting with friends. You can use it with food, drinks, or even medicine. Remember, it's a transitive phrasal verb, so you must include the object. For example, belt down the pizza, not just belt down. Also, you can say belt the pizza down. Both are correct. It shows eagerness and speed. Similar phrases are wolf down or chub down. But belt something down works well for both food and drinks. Try using it next time you eat fast. Thanks for watching. Practice and keep learning.